Alright, hey everyone, and welcome to another vlog. Alright, so guys, I might have done something either really stupid or really cool, depending on like how you look at it, but I kind of wanted to start building a new PC, so, so it's been about a month since my current PC, which is right here. It's if you guys don't know already, it's the Skytech. It has let me just roll through the specs. It has like the Ryzen 5 3600, the GeForce RTX 3060 graphics card. I don't know, and it's got RGB everything, and I forgot how much the RAM was. 16 gigs of RAM. 1 terabyte solid state hard drive. I don't know. I've been like doing my homework, I guess you could say, on computer PC building and stuff. I've been watching a lot of like Linus Tech Tips and like Austin Evans. Like ever since I got the new PC, I've been like brushing up on PC building and stuff. And like from the amount of like videos I've seen, like it didn't look that bad. Like it didn't look like that much different from like building a car or whatever. But like for like obviously it's not like the same thing, but like you know what I mean. So yeah, I've been like watching so many of like their like budget so many of like budget builds and stuff, and like I just got like so intrigued, like so many people can like do like $500 builds and like be able to have like respectable like specs and stuff. So I ultimately my curiosity got the best of me, and I ended up buying stuff to build a PC. I don't have everything. I just have like a few things so far. Like I have the case, and I think I got the power supply, the RAM, and stuff. I don't have everything here just yet. So for now, because like a lot of it's like still coming in the mail, or like I haven't ordered it yet. Like the CPU, I haven't ordered that one yet. I don't know where to go. Do I go cheap on the CPU, or do I get like spend a little bit more or whatever? Like, because I'm not looking to like go like supercomputer type of stuff. I just want to like see if I can do it, like, because like I've been watching so many like build videos that like I wanted to like give it a try on my own, like rather than trying to buy a pre-built one like I did with this one, my first gaming PC. So like that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna try to see if I can do this. Like I did do my homework like on this. I made sure everything was like compatible and stuff before I started buying all the stuff. So without further ado, let's get to opening. All right. So now let's just cut this guy. All right, cut away. Okay. Yeah, let me put the phone down. All right. Now that's open. That's open. Okay, let's get the other side. Okay, that's there. Alrighty. Okay. Okay. Come on, you little Boston. Okay. Doing this shit again. Alright, I know. I'll do it like the way Linus does it. Flip it upside down. Okay. Okay, come on. Come on, you bugger. You know what? You know you want to get out of there. Get out of your home. I'm evicting you from your home. Get out. Oh my god. This thing. Here we go. I'm doing the pull method from last time. Okay. If I could just... It's like I'm giving birth. Okay. Good. There we go. Alrighty. That's out. There. Now it's out. Okay. Now... Let's just position this so I don't drop it. Hang on. Okay, now let's do this a lot better than last time. there. This is warranty information. Don't need that. Okay, instructions. Don't need that. Okay. Alrighty, let's open this guy up. Alright, so now, there it is. So yeah, there it is right here. It's called this case is called the Cooler Master 300, I think it's called. I don't know. Hang on, where's the thing? Cooler Master Master Box Q300L. This wasn't really that expensive. It was probably like $30 on Amazon. So like, I didn't go like full on like RGB lighting and stuff. Maybe I'll do that with the fans and stuff, but yeah. So it's got two USB slots right there, headphone jack and a headset jack there. Rip this off. Oh, that's satisfying. Okay, so I think this right here, these slots are where the capture card goes. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm just going off of like what I learned from like the tech videos on YouTube so far. So I'm just going off what I'm seeing. So I think these screws they come out and stuff. So I need a screwdriver for that. Okay, I'll do that later. So the power supply goes here, from what I'm guessing, and the motherboard and CPU and stuff, they all go there. So wait, what did this come with? I gotta open this up. Hang on. Okay, I am probably like the least qualified person to be doing this, but I have had like a little bit of education from watching build videos on YouTube. So oh shit. Well, so that makes me more qualified than I was like last month. So let's just, without making this thing fall over the glass door, I mean. Okay. I just want to see what's what in here. Okay, one more. Make sure not to lose the screws. Oh god, don't fall off. Okay, let's put you over there. All right, what do we got? Got some screws here. I think this is supposed to be like supports for like all the other parts whenever I put them in. So yeah, there's our working room here. Hang on, what is this? Oh, okay, so this is, that fell over. So this is the top mount for like fans and stuff. Yeah, this is cool. Like, I didn't go like big. I went with like a medium-sized case. Like it takes like a micro ATX motherboard, so I made sure I got like a micro ATX motherboard that'll fit here. So yeah, oh, it comes with a fan too. So at least we have that. I'm probably gonna have to get more fans, like some that'll go here and stuff. That's on the to-do list of stuff to buy. So yeah, there's the inside of the case. So let's move on to the other stuff. All right, first envelope right here. Open this. Okay, looks like, yes, it's the RAM. All right, so what I went with is the Oloy Owl memory series. It's 16 gigabytes of RAM. So it's got two like 8 gig sticks. So yeah, this is really cool. Like, because like I think with this PC right here, the Skytech, it uses Oloy. If I can get in there, it uses Oloy RAM sticks. Yeah, I can see right there. So I went with almost the same thing. I went with like these red ones. They look really cool. So I think these are about like $80. I don't know. So, but like, I chose to go with what was like recommended, like, because like a lot of games nowadays, like I've heard like they manufacturers like recommend that you use like 16 gigs of RAM, so that's what I went with. So yeah, let's check the other one now. Alright, now this guy's a little bit heavier, so I think this one, I got a little more force to open it. Okay. Alright, it's the power supply. Alright, so this is the SFX Power Series power supply. I forgot what the wattage was. I think it was like 500 watts or whatever. Yeah, like 500 watts. I made sure to get the 80 plus gold series or whatever it's called, because that's what everyone recommends. So that's what I went with. So yeah, let's see what this guy looks like. Oh god, a whole lot of cables, which I don't know what it is. Well, I know the power cable, obviously, but what is all of this stuff? Okay. Important screws that I shouldn't loot. I shouldn't just drop. Okay. Open up. Okay. Bubble wrap and stuff. Knife. Okay. Alright, there it is. There's the power supply. So, I have other stuff that's gonna come in the mail. Don't know when. But yeah. So like so far, like I'm still waiting for like other stuff to come in. So I'm probably just gonna have like further updates as like time goes on, when all the pieces of the puzzle come together, and like I'll show final product when it's done. But like in terms of like peripherals and stuff, I already have the mouse and keyboard that came with the SkyTech. Oh, whoops, God, that came with the SkyTech when I got it. So like mouse and keyboard is all set, so I don't need to worry about that. Monitor, just put this down. Monitor, I don't know what I'm gonna go with just yet. I still haven't bought the monitor yet. But yeah, I just wanted to show like just basically like what I got so far, what I'm planning to do. So this is probably gonna be like a semi budget build or whatever, because I did cheap out on a few things like the case, for instance, and stuff. But yeah, it's not gonna be like a high budget type of build. I'm just rolling with the punches. I'm trying to like learn as I go, so I'm not gonna go too extreme with this like little PC build that I'm trying here. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So I'll see y'all next time. Peace.